It takes grace to be a loving and caring mother to one's own biological children. And it takes an anointing to be a loving and caring mother to the whole world. Prophetess Ruth Emmanuel Makandiwa, happy birthday. Thank you for being an amazing mother. Thank you for being joy and peace personified. We know we can be ex-convicts with nowhere to go, having been rejected by the whole world, and we run to you and you give us shelter. We know we could be orphans, widows, widowers, and we do not have to worry about where the next meal will come from. We do not have to worry about where we will lay our head, because we know you got us covered. Thank you so much for all the work that you do. You're the best mom the world has ever seen. Happy birthday, Mama. I love you.